Hey everyone, this is Pauk's the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we will continue our work with asymmetric dress. It is very simple cut. I really hope that it will look attractive on me. It is fitted, so I'm a little worried about that. Now, since I'm happy with my figure, I don't think that it can be spoiled somehow. Well, let's get started. I laid out the pattern, laid it along the top. The fabric is also along the top. The patterns are all signed. Because of this, we won't be confused by the patterns. I will not spark them on different sides. I laid out the patterns and through my experience determined that I need only 1 meter and 60 centimeters of fabric. Please do not try to calculate it in advance. It is very difficult. Personally, I don't like difficult things, so I do it only when the whole pattern is ready. I looked at it, realized that I need only 1 meter and 60 centimeters of fabric, cut it off and started to cut. I have already laid out the pattern. Button hem I have +4. I add 1 centimeter, I will sweep sideways once and a half, in case the fabric lies so that it will be too much. Very neat, neck 0.7. I couldn't describe you how much I hate big stitches. Even if you are making a one-piece sleeve, the pattern should still be neat. Have a look.
Смотрим.
I lay small cushioning seam at the beginning of the fold, but only at the beginning. It doesn't matter how much centimeters here. So if you do want to return to it later, this place should not be laid out. I will lay it right now. This detail faced up here, then the wrong side on the table. We need a little extra time for this. I want you to know that now we have black chic knitwear, very good quality. And now of course I want a light knit dress for the summer. I'm renting this pattern. You can see the wrong side, remove the pattern. And in case if you're wondering, of course I saved the first pattern. You can see the back and the beginning of the crease. Gasket seams are already laid, the wrong side is marked, the part is removed. And I break the work piece in front of the dress. Here I turn the fabric upside down and cut it out. Always make the hem wider. A narrower hem gives a very cheap look. Everywhere I have a 1 centimeter here. Now I finish cutting and start collecting. I'm tired of repeating the same thing, but if we are carefully modeled and thought out over everything, during this simulation everything is signed, we know all the allowances, we will not have problems with cutting. Cutting problems begin when we start cut. It is very easy to get confused doing this.
Там запутались, тут забыли, тут перепутали. И вот тогда начинаются действительно проблемы. А когда все четко, понятно, никаких проблем с раскроем нету.
I already see myself in this dress and sandals and with a clutch from Alla Pugacheva. I wish she could know how happy I am. Here you can see the inside out. I sweep the beginning of the crease. It remains to fold the two parts face to face. Sweep the side, sweep the front. Bend the bottom and lay a small crease. I really want everything to work out right away, so there is no need to redo anything. For new ones who don't know, we always throw on the table. Our students already know this well.
Никто никогда ничего не метает на руках, на весу. Сметываем только на столе, исключительно только на столе.
Next we sweep away the second side and shoulders. You can see how I swept away the dress and put it on myself. I wasn't mistaken almost anywhere, only here in the crease area. I hope that you are waiting for a review of this finished product. I really want to go for a walk in this outfit. Of course, I make sure that we will make a video in this dress. Right now I can say that I really like this dress. Even while I was swept away, I fell in love with it. Look, a dress without sleeve and unnecessary problems. Similar dress looks so expensive. And of course, I'm delighted with the clutch from Alla Pugacheva in red color, my favorite red ring, and shoes with red details. Things complemented each other. I want to remind everyone to pay attention to modest styles like this. Also, don't forget we have a course on how to sew a summer dress. Do not forget to follow our fabric boutique. We often replenish it. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.